Hello friends, this video is about how to make Rava dosa. I am using Gits ready-made Rava dosa mix. Now let's start cooking. First, take a small container as per your convenience. Add chopped curry leaves and green chilies. Now add some chopped onions to this. Now open the contents of this packet and then add to the container as per your requirement and convenience. You can make around 8 Rava dosas by using this packet. Therefore, determining the number of dosas you want to make, add the required quantity of water and then mix it well. As you can see, this has to be the consistency of the batter. Now place tawa on stove and heat it. After the tawa gets heated and you are prepared with the batter, spread the batter on tawa in this manner. It will take around 10 minutes for preparing each Rava dosa. Until then you have to be patient. One small tip can be you can use a small plate and close the tawa so that it can fasten this process. As you can see, crispy Rava dosas are ready to be served hot. Thank you for watching and do subscribe.